This will be a short video on this Towers of Hanoi sliding puzzle I made. It's 3D printed. The files will be on Thingiverse. I'll show it in operation first. I'm going to move the stack from here to here. We have an even number of discs, so the first move we make will be to the middle one and not the target stack. Every other move will be the smallest disc. When you move the bottom one, you're halfway done. You never move a blue disc on top of a blue disc during the process, or a yellow on top of a yellow. That's the puzzle. The reason I made it was so that you could practice this and have it all in one piece. Most of these puzzles are made with a stack of 3 posts with separate discs, and it's many different pieces, and you could lose them or whatever. This is made like one of these sliding puzzles where it's just all one unit. So I'll show you how it's put together. First of all, you need to print the disc in 2 different colors with the alternating colors by size. So this is like disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, disc 4. So disc 1 and disc 3 will be in one color, and disc 2 and disc 4 will be in an opposite color. You can print these, this base and this base rail in any color you want. I think it makes more sense to print them in opposite colors for contrast. When you assemble it, you slide them in the order you go, just so you don't have any trouble later. These dovetail joints fit in the same ones as the discs do. There are a couple of little indentations here that accept these bumps. I put these holes in it so that you can take it apart if you have to. You can run a screwdriver in the bottom and push this up to help take it apart. Generally, you're just going to put it together once. You line that up like that. It's a tight fit. That's so it doesn't fall apart. You push it in, and that's it. They will turn here, but I really couldn't figure out how to solve that. So let's try it again. This is the one I just printed. We're going to move them to the center disc, of a center stack. So the first move we make will be not to the center stack. Have you ever moved small disc? We've just moved the bottom disc, so we're halfway there. And that's about it. The reason I designed this was because I saw a video on Numberphile, I believe, showing the Towers of Hanoi. So I'll put a link to that video in my video description.